Imagine having a brilliant idea, powerful content, and a clear message you want to share with the world. Yet every time you run into the same obstacle: video editing. Long hours spent in front of a screen filled with timelines, cutting, trimming, adjusting, fixing, and dealing with endless details that drain your energy more than they serve your creativity. Your ideas are ready, but your time is not. Now, let me ask you a different question. What if I told you that artificial intelligence is no longer just an assistant, but has become capable of handling all of this on your behalf? The importance of sports in human life, the solution is NemoVideo. It is your creative assistant powered by AI that transforms a product link or raw footage into professional, ready-to-publish videos within minutes, while maintaining full creative control. In this video, we'll take a complete tour to explore NemoVideo, one of the leading AI-powered video editing platforms. We'll discover what it offers, who it's designed for, and whether it truly deserves your time, or is just another tool in an already crowded space. NemoVideo is an intelligent video editor built on advanced artificial intelligence technologies, designed to transform raw ideas and unedited content into polished, professional videos without requiring any prior editing experience. Instead of spending hours editing a single video, NemoVideo offers a completely different approach. You simply upload your content, enter your idea, or even start with a written script, and the system takes over. It analyzes the footage, removes unnecessary clips, adds relevant text, adjusts visual and audio rhythm, and delivers a fully edited video ready for publishing in a very short time. How NemoVideo works is very simple and relies on two paths. The first path: once you enter a product link, the AI generates the entire script and video design. The second path: you upload your raw clips, and Nemo's Smart Pick feature automatically selects the best moments and removes unnecessary parts. Then, viral scripts are integrated. These are scenarios based on analyzing millions of successful videos to ensure strong performance. What truly sets NemoVideo apart is Nemo Agent, Talk to Edit. You can speak directly to Nemo and give voice commands to edit the video, remove silences, or add effects. Auto Caption and Auto Audio automatically generate synchronized captions and add background music, BGM, that matches the video's rhythm. Multiple output styles produce multiple versions of the same video for A/B testing to see which version drives more sales. This platform is especially designed for content creators, YouTubers, digital marketers, TikTok and Reels users, and anyone who wants to create videos quickly, efficiently, and with minimal effort. If you have many ideas, but editing slows you down or limits your productivity, NemoVideo wasn't created to replace you, but to become your smart assistant in the content creation process. The workflow inside NemoVideo is simple, clear, and smooth. First, you enter the platform and choose the type of video you want to create. Second, you upload your video, enter a text, or define the main concept. From there, artificial intelligence takes control. It analyzes audio and visuals, identifies key moments, suggests suitable edits, and generates a first draft of your video. If you want to make changes, the platform provides a clean and intuitive interface that allows you to fine-tune the final result with ease and without complexity. Some of the key features that make NemoVideo stand out include: first, Smart Clip Selection. The platform automatically identifies the best moments without requiring you to watch the entire video. Second, Automatic Captions Generation. Captions are generated in sync with the audio, making the video understandable even when watched without sound. Third, Audio and Video Quality Enhancement. Lighting correction, audio cleanup, and visual balance give your videos a polished, professional look. Fourth, Social Media Ready Formats. Videos are exported in optimized sizes for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, with no additional adjustments required. NemoVideo offers a free version that allows you to explore the platform and test its core features. However, this version comes with limitations, such as a restricted number of videos or the presence of a watermark. Paid plans, on the other hand, are designed for users who want more flexibility and power. They offer benefits such as more projects, higher export quality, watermark removal, and greater control over customization. The right choice ultimately depends on your needs and how you plan to use the platform. It's important to be realistic. NemoVideo does not completely replace professional video editing for large-scale or cinematic projects. However, it is a very powerful tool for those who prioritize speed, efficiency, and increased productivity. If you work solo or want to publish content consistently without exhausting your time and energy, NemoVideo is definitely a solution worth trying. NemoVideo is the perfect tool for content creators and marketers who want to save time and increase profits. And now, here's the special offer. New users can get a free trial plus a 30% discount for the first 3 months. Channel followers can also get a free 1-month membership. Don't waste your time on exhausting manual editing. Start your free trial now through the link in the description and the pinned first comment. Download NemoVideo today and create your next videos smartly. In conclusion, here's the result of what I did to advertise my professional microphone store that I created with NemoVideo.
Sound is not just sound. It's clarity, presence, and impact. This professional microphone is designed to deliver clean, rich, and powerful audio every single time. Perfect for content creators, podcasters, musicians, and professionals who demand quality. Advanced technology, elegant design, and crystal clear sound with minimal noise. Plug and play. No complications, just pure performance. Because your voice deserves to be heard. Loud, clear, and professional. Professional microphone. Upgrade your sound. Upgrade your presence.
NemoVideo is not just a video editor, but a smart tool that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to simplify and accelerate video content creation. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the video description. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments and subscribe to the channel to support upcoming content. See you in the next video.